Are you tired of settling for delivery pizza that arrives lukewarm and soggy? Do you dream of creating restaurant-quality pizzas in the comfort of your backyard? Then the Halo Versa 16 outdoor pizza oven might be your perfect match. This innovative appliance promises to revolutionize your outdoor cooking experience, allowing you to whip up delicious pizzas in minutes. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive deep into a detailed review of the Halo Versa 16, exploring its features, functions, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right fit for your pizza-making desires. Cooking power and speed, a blazing advantage. One of the most impressive aspects of the Versa 16 is its sheer cooking power. The patented dual burner system combines a back flame and an understone infrared burner, reaching temperatures of up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 12 minutes. This translates to restaurant-style pizzas cooked to perfection in as little as 5 minutes. No more waiting around for your oven to preheat. The Versa 16 gets you straight to the pizza-making fun. The magic of rotation, hands-free pizza perfection. Another key feature of the Versa 16 is its 360 degrees rotating cooking stone. This innovative design eliminates the need for constantly turning your pizza, a common challenge faced with traditional pizza ovens. Simply launch your pizza onto the stone, and the motor powered by either an AC adapter or 2D batteries will take care of the rest, ensuring even cooking and a perfectly crisp crust. This hands-free approach allows you to relax and socialize while your pizza cooks to perfection, making it ideal for entertaining friends and family. Flavorful results, capturing the essence of pizza. The Versa 16 boasts a large, 16-inch cordierite cooking stone. Cordierite is a popular choice for pizza ovens due to its excellent heat retention properties. This ensures even heat distribution across the entire pizza, resulting in a crispy crust with a flavorful char and a perfectly cooked center. Additionally, the stone absorbs moisture from the dough, contributing to a delightfully crisp crust that rivals those found in pizzerias. Cleaning up the fun, a breeze with easy access. Let's face it, cleaning up after a pizza party isn't always the most enjoyable task. Thankfully, the Versa 16 features a hinged access lid design that makes cleaning a breeze. This allows you to easily access the interior of the oven to wiping down any spills or leftover debris. The removable cordierite stone can also be cleaned with warm water and soap, making post-pizza maintenance a hassle-free experience. Fueling flexibility and portability, pizza perfection on the go. The Versa 16 is designed for both backyard pizza parties and outdoor adventures. It's fueled by propane gas and comes with dual regulators, allowing you to connect it to either a standard 1 lb propane canister or a larger 20 lb LP gas tank. This flexibility ensures you're never limited in terms of fuel source, whether you're enjoying pizza in your backyard or tailgating at a sporting event. Additionally, the portable design makes it easy to transport, allowing you to take your pizza-making skills on the go. Beyond pizza, a versatile outdoor oven. While the Versa 16 excels at creating restaurant-quality pizzas, its capabilities extend far beyond. The high temperatures and even heat distribution make it perfect for cooking a variety of other dishes. Imagine perfectly seared steaks, roasted vegetables, or even delicious calzones. The possibilities are endless. Considerations before you buy. Weighing the options. While the Versa 16 boasts impressive features, it's essential to consider some factors before making a purchase. As with any appliance, it does require assembly, so be prepared to dedicate some time to setting it up. Additionally, the size and weight around 44 pounds might be a consideration for those with limited storage space. Finally, while the price point may be attractive compared to some wood-fired pizza ovens, it's still an investment to consider. The verdict: a delicious investment for pizza enthusiasts. Overall, the Halo Versa 16 outdoor pizza oven is a compelling option for anyone who craves restaurant-quality pizza at home or on the go. Its innovative features, including the rotating stone and dual burner system, make it easy to achieve perfectly cooked pizzas with minimal effort. The versatility of the oven allows for cooking a variety of other dishes, making it a valuable addition to any outdoor kitchen. While there are some minor considerations like assembly and weight, ease of use, cleaning, and portability make the Versa 16 a strong contender for pizza enthusiasts. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.